Whose birthday is it tomorrow?
Mona!
No, not Mona's. Whose birthday? Yeah, what's your name?
Mommy!
You're Miranda. How old are you gonna be? 1, 2,
Mom, is that Omni?
3. Yeah, I'll help you.
Is that Omni?
1, 2,
Oh.
3,
And then
4, 5. What are we gonna do at your school tomorrow?
baking.
Bring what?
Big fire.
Bring cupcakes and...
Chucky.
Oh no, Daddy was kidding. We're not gonna bring Chuck E. Cheese.
Yeah.
It'll just be Mommy and Casey, and we will bring
Harley.
cupcakes.
Harley.
We cannot bring Harley to school. The other kids might be scared.
Yeah.
Who'll be scared?
Harley Bear.
Harley Bear will be scared.
Go.
Can you eat your plums? Eat your plums? Myranda, whose birthday is it tomorrow? Hi, Myranda. Myranda. I gave you that straw.
Mommy, why did Mommy buy this?
No, Auntie Maricela bought it for Easter.
Oh.
You like it?
Oh.
Can you eat your banana bread?
Uh-oh.
Might spill. Just put it on the placemat.
Yeah. It's the best mat.
Oh, okay.
Add some more.
You want some more what?
Milk,
What's the magic word?
please.
Can you eat your plum? You need to eat your breakfast. What is it?
Oh,
Banana.
little sister made it?
Lola Cesar, and Auntie Ellie. Bite.
Mama, what's Aguilera?
Auntie Ellie's at home. Smile for Mama.
Is he his mommy?
No, she's at home making the banana bread. Miranda. Tired? It's 5:50. She woke up early, 5:30. Honey, woke up at 5:30. Love you. It is July 8th, 2009.